Hello YouTubers, welcome back again. Today we are going to install Xampp on Mac operating system. So let's just start our video. First of all, you have to open your browser, then search for Xampp, download Xampp. Now click return. Now you will get option download Xampp from official Xampp site. Now click on download Xampp, you will get your operating system. Based on your operating system, you can click on download. So if you're using Mac, you can scroll down and you will get option for Mac operating system. Now you have to click on download option. So I have already downloaded my file. So let's just go to my Finder. Now this one, click on DMG file. Now you will get this type of interface. Just click again and you will get this type of error. All right. So you have to do one thing. You have to go to your setting. Then just click cancel from this window and go to your privacy and security. Scroll down, you will get an option here where it is showing XAMPP was blocked from use because it is not from an identified developer, right? You have to just click on open anyway. When you click on open anyway, it will ask your permission. It may ask your password or your touch ID. So you have to allow there and that's it. Now you can see there I got an option for open. Now I have to enter my password. Click on allow. Now I got an interface of Xampp. Now you can see I got option for installing. Now just click on next, 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 and that's it. The process is done. Now it is being installed and it will be installed in few minutes. So thanks for watching the video and please keep supporting and please do not forget to like the video and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.